What happens if you eat avocado every day? Avocados are proof that good things come in small packages. An avocado a day keeps the doctor away. You're the avocado to my toast. Life is short. Eat the avocado. This inspirational famous saying will definitely motivate us to eat avocado. But what if you eat it every day? I am sure you might be not knowing that. So let's know that what happens if you eat avocado every day. What are the precautions? What are the benefits? Just like every coin have two sides, positive and negative. We will see both. To stay healthy, doctors advise us to consume many types of fruits. These provide such nutrients to our body, which we may not get through food. Along with this, the amount of nutrients is found in sufficient quantity in fruits, and there is no possibility of any kind of adulteration in them. Therefore, the consumption of fruits is considered more safe. The name of one such special fruit is avocado, which many people eat regularly. This fruit is beneficial for humans' health in many ways. You do many types of exercises to make your body strong, but if you pay attention to your food and drink, it helps a lot. Consuming avocado with milk and honey strengthens the muscles of the body and can make your body strong. Not only this, you will not feel tired at all, even while doing any work in your daily routine. So now you just think that how much this superfruit is valuable and beneficial for you. In today's video, we'll show you each and every detail about this superfruit, from its benefit to its side effects. Every information you will be getting from this video. So kindly be with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and do not skip the video for a second, till the end. Benefits of avocado. From its taste to its benefit to its natural benefit. Avocado is sweeping the globe as a popular superfood. The use of Persea americana, or avocado, began in Mexico in 500 BC. It was brought to India in the 19th century. However, its production in India is very limited, and it is produced in southern states like Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra. There are about 25 seaports of avocado commercially packed and shipped in Nassau, of which Fuerte Masala accounts for 2/3 of the total production. Avocados have become the most loved snack in the world in the last few years. Avocados are rich in vitamins and minerals, low in carbs, and are a great source of carbohydrates. Regular avocado eaters have higher intakes of fiber, vitamins E and K, magnesium and potassium than those who don't eat avocados. For them, let us tell you that just one avocado provides 40% of the daily value of folate, 30% of vitamin K, and over 20% of the daily value of vitamin C. Avocados also contain many minerals. Nearly 30% of the daily value of potassium and almost 20% of the daily value of magnesium, a mineral essential for structural and chemical reactions in the human body from this fruit. On one whole avocado without the skin and seed provides these many nutrients. Yes, and it contains 322 calories. Protein is 4 grams. Carbohydrates is 17 grams. Folate is 163 micrograms. Vitamin K is 42 micrograms. Vitamin C is 20 milligrams. Vitamin E is 4 milligrams. Potassium is 975 milligrams. Magnesium is 58 milligrams. So guys, it is just horrible that this much of nutrition you are getting from only one superfruit, which is called avocado. So from here, only you can understand the value of eating one avocado in your life. We think that it will just change your life, and there will be huge difference after eating it, which have no limitation really. Many types of nutrients are found in avocado. Everyone knows the benefits of avocado for good skin and weight loss. But a new study has claimed that avocado is very beneficial for the intestines. This information has come to light in a study by the University of Illinois College of Agriculture and Consumer and Environmental Sciences in America. The study says that eating avocado every day is beneficial for health. Researchers found that the calorie intake in the body of those who ate avocado was slightly higher than those who did not eat it. This study was done with the aim of knowing the effect of avocado on the microorganisms of the digestive system. Even less bilic acid and more fat was found in the stool of the group eating avocado. Different types of fats have different effects on the microbiome. The fat found in avocado is monounsaturated, which keeps the heart healthy. According to the study, a medium-sized avocado contains about 12 grams of fiber, which fulfills the required amount per day. Avocados, superfruits, technically provide more than important nutrients. They reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular disease and living with obesity and improve cognitive function and digestive health. Eating healthy fats helps slow stomach emptying, which keeps you full longer than usual and delays the return of hunger. This satisfied feeling is known as satiety. Avocado mainly control your fats and keep you away from the fatness you were scared off. The diet that you are eating makes fats and you gain weight is wrong way longly. In this condition, having one avocado a day is like a calorie-controlled diet for 12 weeks. Even the coronavirus epidemic has brought a lot of changes in the eating habits of people. People all over the world improved their eating habits and got attracted towards healthy things. They felt that whatever they eat should strengthen the body's immunity system. While at that time the lockdown has locked the restaurants, it has also kept people away from non-vegetarian food. The best example of this is the increase in the price of the fruit avocado in different countries like Mexico, Germany, England, etc. Here Mexico is the largest producer of avocado, and the increase in its prices surprised even for the farmers because its price had increased by about 60% in 2020-2021 lockdown. The reason behind this is that to eat healthy and increase the immunity system, people are consuming things rich in vitamin C, due to which the demand for avocado has also increased. Despite the lack of farmers in avocado cultivation, its demand remains. The reason for which is that avocado is full of health. Overall, it means that the avocado works as oxygen in corona pandemic. So now you can better understand the value of avocado. Plant-based fats like those in an avocado provide antioxidants and fight inflammation, which has been linked to healthy weight management. Eating avocados regularly may help you to maintain a healthy weight, even without eating fewer calories. Regular avocado eaters generally have a more nutritious diet, consuming more veggies and fruits and less refined foods, and have lower body weight and a smaller waist circumference than those who don't eat avocados. Consuming an avocado has heart protective effects by just eating one avocado a day for 5 weeks reduces total cholesterol. Avocados are an excellent source of potassium, a micronutrient that helps reduce blood pressure. That balance between increasing potassium and decreasing sodium can help treat high blood pressure. If you have diabetes or insulin resistance, then adding avocado to your meals can prevent insulin and blood glucose levels from rising following the consumption of a meal. Even just adding half an avocado prevents the rise in insulin and glucose. Avocado consumption over time may also reduce belly fat. Enjoying avocados at mealtime can help your body to absorb more antioxidants from other healthy foods. Pairing avocado with tomato sauce and carrots boosts the absorption of vitamin A, which is a crucial nutrient for healthy skin, vision, and immunity. Avocados may also help support a healthier diet overall. Regular avocado eaters tend to consume more vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Even people who consume avocados have significantly high intakes of the nutrients like fiber, healthful monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E. It even increases brain function. Yes, you heard it right, that avocado is rich in a phytochemical called lutein, a pigment related to beta-carotene and vitamin A. You may know lutein as one of the two major carotenoids found in the eye. The other place lutein is found is the brain. So, in older adults, eating 1 avocado a day for 6 months improved performance on memory tests. However, taking a lutein supplement did not give the same results, but there is really something in the avocado which improved brain function. Avocado protects your eyes. Yes, eating 1 avocado a day for 6 months increases the amount of macular pigment. In addition, avocados seem to increase the absorption of lutein better than taking just a lutein supplement. As pointed out earlier, avocados are rich in antioxidants. Extracts of avocado pulp or the fruit have been found to have cancer-fighting properties. An extract containing several antioxidants, including lutein and vitamin E, stop the growth of prostate cancer cells. People should also use milk to consume avocado. The best way to consume avocado, with milk, is to cut the avocado fruit into small pieces and prepare a smoothie. After that, if you want, you can also add a spoonful of honey to it. By consuming this drink, men's body will get many great benefits. You do many types of exercises to make your body strong, but if you pay attention to your food and drink, it helps a lot. Consuming avocado with milk and honey strengthens the muscles of the body and can make your body strong. Not only this, you will not feel tired at all, even while doing any work in your daily routine. Due to weak internal men's power, the romantic life of many men gets spoiled. Along with this, the quality of life is also affected. At the same time, consuming avocado helps in boosting testosterone hormone, due to which the risk of weakening of internal power can be reduced by many times. Therefore, if you are also facing such a problem, then you can start consuming avocado with milk. If you ask people doing bodybuilding about their diet, they will definitely recommend them to consume avocado. The reason for this is that consuming avocado helps a lot in the formation of new cells. When you exercise for bodybuilding, the cells break down, and consuming avocado can work effectively for the rapid reconstruction of these cells. Avocado is also consumed to maintain digestive system. Avocado is rich in fiber. Fiber is a nutritious element that works actively to improve digestion and to remove stomach-related problems. Therefore, if you are troubled by stomach-related problems, especially constipation, then definitely include avocado in your diet. The available evidence suggests that avocado consumption may have a positive effect on heart health. A study in 2022 studied the risk of cardiovascular boilers in American classics to assess the effects of avocado consumption. This study found that a higher intake of avocado was associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. It states that avocado consumption may have a positive effect on heart health. However, more research is needed to prove these devils, and if you have any heart-related problems, consult your doctor and treat yourself. The regular consumption of avocados can reduce abdominal obesity. In 2019, it is being found that more and more poor people eating 1 avocado daily. Belly fat reduction was assessed by consuming avocados for 3 months. Also due to the low carbohydrate content, avocados can help in nutrient absorption. This suggests that consuming avocados can help reduce belly fat. It may help reduce obesity due to the presence of monounsaturated plant acids. Being a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, it may help improve vision. It may improve digestion due to its high carbohydrate content. It may have anti-cancer action due to its chocolatey properties and may help in weight loss from prostate and classic cancers. It may help improve skin softness and silkiness. Although different studies in different countries have shown great uses of avocado, These studies are ensure the scope of benefits of avocado on human health. This multi-purpose fruit can be used in different ways, such as just make avocado seasoning with salt, pepper, lemon juice, and paprika. Toast or add an avocado paste, or even you should consult an experienced doctor before taking avocado or any plant composition in large quantities. Do not stop the ongoing treatment of modern medicine without consulting any experienced doctor, and do not start taking any Ayurvedic herbal preparation instead. But do you know that avocados are consumed in several scientifically evaluated markets, like it may be an antioxidant, it may have anti-cancer action, it may have hepatoprotective properties, it may help heal cancer, it may help protect the heart. Avocados contain healthy fats, anti-aging, disease-fighting antioxidants, and nearly 20 vitamins and minerals. Side effects associated with consuming avocado. Yes, you heard right. Avocado consumption can trigger anaphylactic steroids in people who are allergic to it. Avocado has implications like red rash on the skin, even painless swelling under the skin, etc. May affect your health. However, if you experience any unwanted reaction with avocado, it is advisable to stop consuming it and immediately contact a doctor or your Ayurvedic practitioner who has advised you to take it. Only he will give you the right guidelines for your approval. Precautions to be taken with using of avocado daily. Yes, as you all know that avocado is fine to eat if taken in moderation. However, these common precautions should be followed in the prescribed amount. Like it is advisable to wash avocado before eating, as it may contain microbes or dirt. It is advised not to consume avocados in large quantities as they contain high amounts of fat, so it can be difficult to digest, which may lead to bloating or diarrhea. Avocados are rich in intolerances and can interact with medicines like lisinopril, ramipril, captopril, used in high blood pressure mixtures. Therefore, you should always consult your Ayurvedic doctor about consuming raw avocado fruit with other medicines, and follow the prescription completely, as he is aware of your health condition and the other medicines you are taking. So lastly, don't forget to support our channel and keep watching our interesting and knowledgeable videos further. Do take care of yourself. Thank you.